The first time you looked at me, I could tell we're meant to be. My heart just fell for you, yeah baby, only you. When your voice is calling me, my lonely heart beats tenderly. Yeah, you're the favorite melody I listen to. Feeling more than I could ever wish for, and I know my heart's forever yours. So will you please accept this song from an ordinary girl, and let me show you an extraordinary world. Don't have flowers, don't have gold, but I just want you to know I'll give you every feeling you're dreaming of, so you'll know incredible love. Day by day everything changed, but my love remains the same. And I'm standing with an angel that came from up above, getting lost inside your eyes. Your lips have me hypnotized, but the way you make me feel is what I'll always love. Feeling more than I could ever wish for, and I know my heart is forever yours. So will you please accept this song from an ordinary girl, and let me show you an extraordinary world. Don't have flowers, don't have gold, but I just want you to know I'll give you every feeling you're dreaming of, so you'll know incredible love. So will you please accept this song from this ordinary girl? So will you please accept this song from an ordinary girl, and let me show you an extraordinary world. Don't have flowers, don't have gold, but I just want you to know I'll give you every feeling you're dreaming of, so you'll know I'll give you every feeling you're dreaming of, so you'll know. Let me show you an extraordinary world full of incredible